In today's lecture, we discuss about voltage and potential. Voltage is the difference in potential between two arbitrary points at which the potential is not necessarily zero. That means voltage क्या है? Difference है potential के बीच में. Okay? दो points होंगे आपके पास, say 2 points A और B. ठीक है, टू आर्बिट्री पॉइंट्स ले लिए जिस पर जरूरी नहीं है कि पोटेंशियल जीरो हो. इट मे और मे नॉट बी. ओके, मे और मे नॉट बी, इज नॉट नेसेसरली जीरो. इनके बीच के जो डिफरेंस आएगा पोटेंशियल, इनके पोटेंशियल का जो डिफरेंस होगा उसे आप वोल्टेज कहेंगे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल? Potential is the energy per unit charge gained or lost when a charge is moved from a reference point at which the potential is defined to be zero. That is what you see. Let's consider a reference point at which potential is zero. Here a charge is placed. I want to take this charge from the point A to point B. Okay. In doing this process, some work, some energy is required. Okay. The energy is known as potential. Okay. Voltage is the energy per unit charge gained or lost when a charge is moved from reference point at which potential is defined to be zero, is known as potential. Actually, everywhere you see that voltage and potential are same words. Okay? Every book, maybe some teachers says that, even I also say that voltage and potential are same. There are little bit point of difference. You can also see in Google, you can check on Google that there is only one. It is not necessarily zero. Okay? It is definitely zero. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding to voltage and potential, then ask me in comment section.